In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off trending searches on Google Chrome. If you're seeing popular or trending topics pop up beneath the search bar and you'd rather keep suggestions focused on your own typing, this quick walkthrough will clean up that experience on desktop Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and go to google.com. Once you're on the Google homepage or a search results page, look for the settings option. On the homepage, you'll typically see settings at the bottom of the screen. If you're on a results page, you may see a gear icon near the top right. Click that to open the settings menu. This takes you to Google's preferences where search behavior can be customized. Next, choose search settings from the menu. Depending on your layout, you might see a small quick settings panel. If you do, select the option that opens the full search settings page. This page controls things like language, results per page, filters, and the suggestions that appear while you type. Once you're inside search settings, look for the section labeled Other Settings. You'll usually see it as a tab or link in the left sidebar. Click Other Settings to open more detailed controls that affect how suggestions show up as you type in the search box. Now find the option called Autocomplete with trending searches. This is the setting that controls whether Google shows popular searches even before you've typed much. Switch this off or choose the option that says Do Not Show Popular Searches. That tells Google to stop surfacing trending topics and to limit suggestions to your own recent searches and real-time autocomplete based on what you're typing. Some versions of the page save automatically. If you see a save button at the bottom, click Save to lock in the change, then confirm if prompted. If you don't see a save button, your choice is likely already applied. To confirm it worked, return to the Google homepage, click in the search box, and start typing. You should now see suggestions tied to your input rather than the trending list. If trending items still appear, refresh the page, try a new tab, or quickly sign out and back into your Google account. Keep in mind this setting can be tied to your browser and sometimes to your account, so you may need to repeat it on other devices or profiles. You can re-enable trending searches anytime by returning to the same setting and turning it back on. That's it. Your search suggestions should now feel cleaner and more personal.